My mommy got me a chia pet. Let's set it up. Okay, so it says I have to submerge it for 30 minutes first, so let's do that. Ooh. Yes, let her cook. She's ready. Supposed to take all the water out. Oh, she's a thirsty gal. It said for each planting, do like 2 teaspoons. So I'm supposed to have enough for 3 plantings, which seems like fake news to me. That was a little low. Let me just... 2 teaspoons of water. In 5 minutes, that's supposed to be a jam-like consistency. She's jammy. Who else up chiaing my pet? I'll update you on Tia the Chia's progress. And no, I will not be taking any critiques on the name.